I just found out a way to brighten your face naturally and very effective to. I'm not a professional, disclaimer lang, hindi ako professional, but I can say na this one is effective and hindi siya magastos. If you are looking ways kung paano ma-brighten yung face mo, all you have to do is to read Exodus chapter 34 verse 29. Sabi dito, "Now it was so, when Moses came down from Mount Sinai, and the two tablets of the testimony were in Moses' hand, when came down from the mountain, that Moses did not know that the skin of his face shone while he talked with him." Yung mukha ni Moises, nung pagbaba niya ng Mount Sinai, nag-shine kasi kasama niya ang Panginoon dun sa taas ng Mount Sinai, kung saan ibinigay sa kanya yung 10 Commandments. So, if you want a brighter skin, if you want na mas magandang skin, you have to remain in the presence of God. You have to surrender your life to Jesus, and kailangan mong mag-devotion at makasama ang Lord everyday. I'm not saying na physically pupunta ka or spiritually pupunta ka na doon. I'm saying is yung presence ng Panginoon is, we all know, makakasama natin siya through the devotion, having a worship, and magkaroon tayo ng cell group kung saan mapag-uusapan about God, about Jesus. So, I hope my suggestion help you magkaroon ng brighter skin. See you and God bless. Bye!